Online weight loss programs, are they worth the money? Have you ever heard of an online weight loss program before? Online weight loss programs are designed to assist individuals, possibly just like you, who want to lose weight. What is nice about online weight loss programs is that they are operated online, which is nice for those who have busy schedules that may not allow them to join locally operated weight loss programs. If you have never joined an online weight loss program before, you may be wondering if one is right for you. Better yet, you may be wondering if an online weight loss program is worth the cost. In all honesty, you will typically find that online weight loss programs are well worth their costs, but it all depends. To ensure that your money is wisely spent, you will want to make sure that you choose the online weight loss program that is perfect for you and your needs. When finding an online weight loss program that is more than worth the costs, you will want to examine the features that you have access to. Features are also commonly referred to as membership benefits or membership perks. The program features that you have access to plays a large part in determining whether or not the online weight loss program that you want to join is worth the money. A few of the many online weight loss features or member perks that you will want access to are outlined below. One of the many features or membership benefits that would make an online weight loss program well worth the cost is that of healthy eating tips. As you likely already know, healthy eating is an important part of any weight loss plan. Many online weight loss programs have healthy eating sections that include easy-to-make recipes for foods and drinks, as well as shopping tips and much more. As previously stated, healthy eating is an important part of losing weight, therefore, you should look for an online weight loss program that does have a healthy eating or a healthy food section. Another feature that would make an online weight loss program more than worth the costs is that of an exercise program. It has been said that exercise and healthy eating are the two most important components of losing weight. You should be able to find an online weight loss program that has an exercise section for you to access. This section may outline workouts that you should try, which may be accompanied by pictures, videos, or at least detailed directions. You may also find charts that outline how many calories are burned with common exercises, and much more. One feature that you may not necessarily think of, but one that is important, is that of an online message boards or a community section. Community sections are often comprised of online message boards. These sections often allow you to communicate with other online weight loss program members or group leaders. This communication is nice as it may help to give you motivation. You may even find an online weight loss buddy or partner to help you on your journey. Guaranteed results or free trial periods are another sign that an online weight loss program may be worth the money. Oftentimes, many individuals are unsure as to whether or not they should pay to join an online weight loss program, as they do not know for sure that they will lose weight. A large number of online weight loss programs give you the ability to test out their programs free of charge, and then there are others that give you guaranteed results. With guarantees like these, online weight loss programs are more than worth their costs. The above-mentioned points are just a few of the many that may be able to help you decide whether or not joining an online weight loss program is worth the cost. If you are able to find an online weight loss program with a free trial period or even just one with affordable membership rates, you may want to think about giving it a shot. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be alerted for more.